Tinker, tailor, soldier, sinner, rich man, poor man, beggar man, winner. No matter who, they always start as a beginner, but the great ones will always start with their eyes on the medal's glimmer. It's not the circumstances of one's birth, but how you handle life that determines your worth. What you work for and the way you treat others on the earth, from the moment you breathe for the very, very first time. It might feel out of your depth, like a baby taking its first steps. All the time people are trying to build their rep. They want to be another Jenner, a Branson or an Offset. You could be a chef or a TV producer, always feeding people more. You could be a psychiatrist or a doctor, bringing people back up when they hit the floor. You could be a cop or a barrister, bringing justice to the law. You know, you can be anything you want to be, so long as it is your choice. My point is, in everything you do, you go all the way. It can start off tricky because some people never care about what you say. But it's up to you to make sure that everything you lay down is at its peak. So don't worry about what you want to do. Don't stress. Whether you want to make people feel blessed, or if you just want to be able to bang on your chest and say, this is what I can do, and show the rest of the world that you belong here and that you're not a pest, that you have earned your place and you used every single breath, from the moment you were born till the day of your death, that you had worked your hardest to be your best.